Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, Amazon subscriptions can quietly drain your wallet if you are not paying attention. From subscribe and save to digital services, everything stacks up fast. Most people forget what they are even subscribed to. So in 2026, Amazon made it easier but still hidden to manage them. So here is how to see, edit and even cancel subscriptions in seconds. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, go ahead, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, the usual steps. Now go all the way to the Amazon.com or Amazon Shopping app if you are on Android or even iOS. Then we're gonna come here, log in using our email address and password, tap on this accounts and lists, then go all the way to check your memberships and subscriptions. So as you see here, Prime manage your memberships, view benefits and even payment settings. You can also go to your payment and check some settings there. As for now, go all the way to Prime, manage your memberships, view benefits and payment settings. Choose the subscription you want to manage, then update the delivery dates, payment methods, or even cancel it if you want to. You can also check this page once a month. Post subscriptions still appear active, so keep it in mind. You should basically turn off renewal immediately after signing up for free trial. So for example, if I'm going through Prime here, I'm gonna go all the way benefit from all of this, gonna tap on start your free 30-day trial. After receiving the basically free trial, I'm gonna go and cancel the subscription because I'm gonna keep benefiting from these options. That's how you stay in control of your Amazon subscriptions in 2026. No more surprises, charges, or even forgotten renewals. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.